Sam, is that a new sweater?
Yes, do you like it?
I do. It's nice, but it reminds me of something.
What?
Remember when I said I wanted to try cooking more this year?
Yes, your New Year's resolution.
Well, I tried, and it didn't go well.
Oh no, what happened? Hello everyone, welcome back to English at the Corner Café. I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. Today, I'm going to tell you about my cooking disaster.
Let's sit down.
Okay, so last Sunday, I decided to cook something special.
What did you want to make?
Chicken curry. I found a recipe online. It looked easy.
Chicken curry is delicious, but maybe not easy for a beginner?
I know that now, but on Sunday, I thought I can do this.
Confidence is good.
Too much confidence is dangerous.
What happened first?
First, I went to the supermarket. I bought all the ingredients: chicken, onions, tomatoes, spices.
That sounds right.
Yes, I came home, I was excited, I put on some music, I felt like a chef.
I can imagine this.
So I started cooking. I cut the onions. That part went okay.
Good start.
Then I had to cut the chicken. I've never cut raw chicken before.
It's a little difficult.
It's very difficult. The chicken was slippery. The knife was sharp. I was nervous.
Were you okay? Did you cut yourself?
No, I didn't cut myself, but I made a mess. Chicken juice everywhere.
Oh, that's not good.
I know, but I cleaned it up and continued.
Okay, so far it's not a disaster, just a little messy.
Wait, the disaster comes later.
I'm listening.
So I put oil in the pan. I turned on the stove. I waited for the oil to get hot.
That's correct.
Then I added the onions. They started cooking. The smell was good.
Smells are important in cooking.
Yes, then I added the chicken pieces. Everything seemed fine.
Still not a disaster.
Then the recipe said add the spices. So I looked at my spices.
What spices did you have?
I had curry powder, cumin, and chili powder.
Those are the right ones.
Yes, the recipe said add 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
1 teaspoon. That's not much.
I know, but here's the problem. I couldn't find my teaspoon measure.
Oh no.
So I guessed. I just poured some chili powder into the pan.
How much did you pour?
Maybe 3 or 4 teaspoons. Maybe more.
Alex, that's too much.
I know, but I didn't know then. I thought more spice, more flavor.
That's not how it works.
I learned that the hard way.
What happened next?
I stirred everything together. Then I added tomatoes and water. The curry was cooking.
Did it smell good?
It smelled strong, very strong. My eyes started watering.
From the chili?
Yes, the smell was so strong, I opened the window.
And then?
Then I tasted it. Just a small taste.
Was it bad?
It was terrible. My mouth was on fire. I couldn't breathe. I drank 3 glasses of water.
3 glasses?
Yes, and my mouth still burned.
What did you do with the curry?
I tried to fix it. I added more tomatoes, more water, some sugar, some yogurt.
Did that help?
A little bit, but it was still too spicy. Way too spicy.
Could you eat it?
I tried 1 bite, just 1, and I gave up.
So what did you do?
I threw it away. All of it.
Oh no, all that work?
I know. I was so disappointed and so hungry.
What did you eat instead?
I made a sandwich. A simple cheese sandwich.
Sometimes simple is better.
Definitely. And here's the worst part.
There's more?
The smell stayed in my apartment for 3 days.
3 days.
Yes, everything smelled like chili. My clothes, my sofa, my bed.
That's terrible.
I had to wash all my clothes. I opened all the windows. I used air freshener.
Did your neighbors say anything?
Yes, my neighbor asked, "Are you okay? I smell something burning."
How embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. I said, "Yes, I'm fine, just cooking."
Well, you were cooking, just not successfully.
Exactly. So that was my cooking disaster.
Will you try cooking again?
Maybe, but next time I'll measure the spices carefully.
Good idea. And maybe start with something easier than curry?
Yes, maybe pasta? Just boil water and cook pasta.
Much safer.
Much safer.
Okay, let's remember some useful phrases from Alex's story.
It didn't go well.
This means something failed or had problems. It's a polite way to say something was bad.
You can use it for many situations. My test didn't go well, or my meeting didn't go well.
I made a mess.
This means you created disorder or dirt. Things became dirty or disorganized.
Like when you spill something or drop things everywhere.
Yes, exactly. Another phrase, my mouth was on fire.
This is a way to describe very spicy food. Your mouth feels hot and burning.
It's not real fire, of course, just a strong feeling from the spice.
I gave up.
This means I stopped trying. I quit. I couldn't continue.
It's honest. Sometimes we need to give up and try something else.
I learned that the hard way.
This means you learned through a difficult or painful experience.
Not from a book or a teacher, from making mistakes.
Great phrases. Use them when you can.
Thanks for listening to English at the Corner Café.
Next time, Alex has another story, something that happened at the gym.
The gym, yes, that was also interesting.
I can't wait. See you next time.
Goodbye.